Hello, Flute and Mallet students. It's Mr. Cronin. Let's go through our concert F scale, and this is on the back side of your Fundamental Warm-Ups number 2 sheet. So our F scale, concert F, is the third scale that we're going to learn. Very first thing that we want to do with all scales is we want to be sure that we are recognizing our key signature here. So we're going to identify the key signature chant. Are you ready? 1 flat, B flat, key of F. So we will start and end this scale on an F, okay? So I would just want to make sure that I reference my How to Practice for Band sheet. I don't think we need to count this one out loud. You're certainly welcome to, and it's never a bad idea to count out loud first, but I think because this one goes with quarter notes and whole notes and things that we're going to be okay with it. All right, so we're going to go straight to step 2, note name it out loud. So I'm going to come right over to my scale and identify that the first note is F. And I can do this two ways now. I can either do Masters of the Alphabet from F to F, or I can name the notes on the page. So I'm going to quickly flash up our Masters of the Alphabet. And because this scale starts on F, we would be doing the F to F section of Masters of the Alphabet. And you can pause it here to practice that. But today I'm going to actually read this off the music, okay? I'm going to use my steady metronome. And I've got my metronome set on 60 beats per minute. If you don't have a metronome handy, this is 1 beat per second. So if you have a clock in the room, you can use that for 60. Okay? Here we go. Name the notes, concert F, ready, go. F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, F, A, C, F, E, C, B, A, G, F. So Mr. Cronin would have to stop and make a correction in measure 114 where I misnamed the note G. I named it as an A. That might happen to you also. Go ahead and pause the video at this time and practice your generic note names, no flats, no sharps, from F to F, all the way through our concert F scale from measure 108 to 115. Okay, and now if you've come back from pausing here, the next step is we're going to use Masters of the Alphabet again, but now we're going to apply the proper key signature. So our key signature has only B flat in it, and I want us to really pay attention to that because a lot of us have gotten used to playing A as A flat. This will not be an A flat, it will be an A. It will be a white key on a mallet. We only have B flat in this scale. We're very used to B flat, we like B flat. We do not have E flat in this scale. This is now just E, or you could call it E natural, okay? And if you've been playing your Remington exercises from the front of the sheet, you should know your E, certainly. If not, you can always review on page 47 of your book. It will show you if you're a flute player. If you're a mallet player, it will show you on the layout on the very first page of the mallet part of your book. So let's go through the Masters of the Alphabet again, this time adding in the correct key signature, saying the flat only on B, okay? Metronome's going to go again. Ready, here we go. And F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F, E, D, C, B flat, A, G, F, F, A, C, F, E, C, B flat, G, F. Okay, let's pause there so that you can practice. All right, and if you're back, you must have paused and practiced that several times. So let's go to step 3 of our How to Practice sheet. Step 3 is fingerings or positions, okay? Percussion, it's your stickings. You're going to use an alternating sticking pattern if you're a mallet player. So I'm going to air stick this one. As a flute player, I'm going to put my fingers to the notes as I go through, okay? So back to my metronome, everything always steady. Right along with me. Here we go with fingers. F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F, E, D, C, B flat, A, G, F, big breath, F, A, C, F, E, C, B, flat, G, F, and we're there. I cannot emphasize enough how much you cannot play an E flat in this scale. It must be just an E, a white key E. You could also call that note E natural, okay? So be very, very careful about that. Let's go ahead and have you pause here for practice. Okay, guys, if you have come back, then you have paused and done lots of practice of step 3, which is fingers and positions. You're feeling really good about that on your F scale. Step 4 is silent play. Pause here to practice your silent play. I don't think you need to hear me silent playing other than to make sure that we're connecting our airstream. Never huffing and puffing. We want to make sure our notes are connected and smooth, okay? So the last step then is step 5, play. We're going to put it all together, okay? So here we go. Metronome is on. This is step 5. We're now playing our F scale, being sure to play A natural, being sure to play E natural. Here we go. Concert F. 1, 2, ready, set, play. All right, and that's all there is to it, guys. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Be sure that you send me a recording of your Concert F scale. We'll see you soon.